11 stretches, neck and shoulder pain relief. A stiff neck and tight shoulder are very well known issues for many of us. The good thing is that if this pain is caused by stress, bad sitting habits, or lack of activity, regular stretching can make a big difference and even give you permanent relief. This is a very gentle stretch used to release tension around your neck. Roll a towel, place it at the base of your head, let your head fall back toward the floor and relax. Stay in this position for about 10 minutes unless you feel any sort of pain. This exercise provides a deep stretch for the back of your neck and your upper back. Begin by sitting comfortably in chair on the floor. Clasp your hand behind your head. Gently pull your head down, bringing the chin towards the chest. Hold for 30 to 40 seconds and then slowly return your head to the initial position and release your hand. This stretch targets the sides of your neck. Begin by sitting comfortably on the floor or in a chair. Place your right hand on the top of your head and gently pull it to your right. Keep the back straight and shoulders relaxed. Hold for 30 to 40 seconds and then slowly lift your head back to the initial position. Repeat on the other side. This stretch involves both the neck and the shoulder. Begin by putting the right arm behind you and grabbing it with your left hand. Pull the hand gently toward your left foot. Tilt your left ear towards your left shoulder. Hold for 20 seconds and repeat on the other side. You can also do the same stretch by keeping your hands in front of you. This way you also get a good upper trapezius stretch, but from a slightly different angle. This stretch targets your neck and the shoulder. Begin by sitting on the chair and hold your chair from the behind with one hand. Tip your chin towards the chest and tip your ear towards your left shoulder. Rotate your head 45-degree angle to the right and then to the left. You can put your other hand over your head to help, but don't force it. All movements should be very gently. Hold on each side for 20 to 30 seconds and then change sides. This stretch releases the tension in the upper back and between the shoulder blades. All moves should be smooth and soft. Begin by getting on your hands and knees. Then slide the left arm with the palm up between your right arm and legs, rotating your body until your head touches the ground. Hold for 30 to 40 seconds and then repeat on the other side. This movement releases tension around the shoulders. Begin in a sitting or standing position. Keep the back and neck straight. Lift the shoulder up and then roll them back and down. All movements should be smooth. Keep the chin tucked, making a double chin. This is a good stretch not only for your biceps but also for your shoulders. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Cross your left arm across your chest. Use your right hand to pull your left arm just above the elbow closer to your body. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds and repeat on the other side. This stretch targets your multiple muscles, include the shoulders. Begin by raising your left arm straight, then bend it and bring it behind your head. Bring your right hand behind your back, reach up and grab your left hand.
Hold for 10 seconds and then release the hands and repeat on the other side. If you can't reach the fingertips of the other hand, use a towel or to help. Hold the towel with the hand that is above your head and grab it with the other hand, creating a gentle pull. This stretch is great for tense shoulders. Begin by placing your left arm against the wall, palm facing the wall or ceiling. However you feel more comfortable. Press the shoulder to the wall, slightly move the chest away from the wall, creating a gentle stretch. Hold for 30 to 40 seconds and repeat on the other side. This is a very deep shoulder stretch. Begin by standing up straight. Clasp your hands behind your back. Raise your arm up until you feel a stretch. Hold 30 to 40 seconds. Repeat 3 times. You may bend forward if you need a deeper stretch.